She's fancy. We're fancy now over here on Christen Dominique's YouTube channel. Welcome to my... That's not a cute invite. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Christen Dominique. Welcome to my little home on YouTube. And we have a bunch of new life-altering products in this video. I'm seeing things I've never seen in my life before. So I'm really excited to get into this video. Also, we're blue. We have blue hair today. We are feeling the cotton candy vibes. I love getting new makeup and it's new 2019 launches. Crazy. Okay, I'm gonna get into this video because I cannot wait to tell you about all the new things, all the good things, and some that are just like, eh. Before we get into the video though, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad fam. If I could lift my leg, I would. Ow. You know what? We're just gonna start like exercising every time I do that. I'm ready to jump in. Are you ready? Let's go. Brows are done. Now we're gonna go straight into the primer. One of the new primers that came out was this one from Cover FX. There's also this one right here from Tarte. And I'm like, which one do I wanna use? So this one from Cover FX, it's called Water Cloud Primer, Pollution and Blue Light Defense, which is really interesting. I haven't seen that before. It's supposed to be a weightless and cooling mousse that refreshes the skin and helps defend against pollution and blue light rays. Okay. And then this one from Tarte is just like a little balm and it's called Shape Tape Pore and Prime Balm. I think what I'm gonna do is use both. So I'm gonna take Cover FX and put it all over my face. And then I'm gonna do the balm just on certain areas. All right, so now that our face is primed and ready to go, there is a new foundation out, you guys. There's so many new foundations, but I was really excited about this one. This one is from Natasha Denona. I actually kind of previewed it on my Insta stories this weekend. This is called Transformatte. It's a pore vanishing matte foundation, and we are gonna try it for the first time here on my YouTube channel. I really like the packaging. It's white, so I feel like it's going to get dirty, and it kind of did when I used it. But I'm just gonna kind of show you what it looks like when you, ooh, it is very liquidy. When I see something that's pore vanishing, that's transfer matte, I think instantly that it's gonna be a little bit thicker in consistency. And this was so not that. This is very lightweight, and it's not like intense. It's something that's definitely buildable. So my shade in this foundation is the 25NY Light. It's a neutral yellow. Oh my god, I lied to you guys. I was gonna use this on certain parts of my face, but I already did my freaking foundation. What the heck? Okay, so I'm gonna use this in another video for you guys. I promise. I wanted to use it now. I messed up, my bad. I like the primer, it's nice. I like the way it sits on the foundation. The foundation is very matte. It's not tight feeling. I can find myself using this more than just on like a glam night out. I feel like you can actually use this every day. I don't know if it actually fills in the pores, you know, because I got some really large craters going on, but I'm using it again. Now we're going on to the new HD concealers. And actually I'm gonna use the HD concealer first to prime my eyes. This is from Makeup Forever, the Ultra HD Creaseless Concealers. So I was like, this is gonna work perfect as a primer. This is the darker shade. This is number 34. I'm gonna take that on my lids just because I don't want my lids to be super bright. And let's see what this, ooh, this is kind of really dark, but let's just check it out. By the way, ever since I did my last video with the Fenty, I cannot stop using their sponge. I feel like it's even softer than the Beauty Blender, but the Beauty Blender is still on top. It says it's supposed to be creaseless. Let's see if it's creaseless on the eyelids. I don't see it getting into any creases, and I have a lot of creases in my eyes, so that's a good thing. It's supposed to be like a self-setting concealer, which is awesome. We need that in our lives, especially for eyeshadow. The newest eyeshadow palette that I just got in is this one right here from Nars. It literally came in today, and today's Tuesday. You're gonna see this on Wednesday. It is that new. Always so sleek and chic, simple. The font is bronze. The packaging is like a matte black, kind of like their signature. And inside there are 12 nude shades, universal for every skin tone is what they were trying to create. So you can go from day to night, drama, fun, cute, pretty. I feel like this is a very everyday kind of palette. I'm pretty excited to use it. That is so crazy. The concealer is not creasing at all. Usually by this time you'll have some lines. We're impressed. So I'm gonna take this brown right here and mix it with this brown. We're just gonna make these two come together, have a little baby. And the shades are really cute. I picked up shade Sophia and Whipped. The other names are like Undressed, Unbuttoned, Faster, super cute names. I'm gonna pick up this one right here and we're gonna work her right on the outer part. Oh, she's dark. She's really pigmented. So we are going to go lightly. I think that's enough. I think that's all we need for the rest of the eye. And we're just gonna blend it out into the bottom of the crease and the outer part of the eye. I was going for something gradual, but my brush said no thank you. So we're gonna go a little deeper here. This is a very smoky color, I like it. And I really like this color right here, this like neutral peachy toned color for the brow bone and the lid. So I'm just gonna pop it right in here just to make the eyebrow a little more sharp, clean. I just feel like it also makes the eyeshadow look a little bit better, just in case you brought it up too high, I can kind of bring it back down to earth. I'm gonna put a little bit here as well, right on the inner corner, and just clean up this crease right here. They have so many really pretty shimmery shades. I'm gonna go with the gray one just because it's something that I would probably not want to do, and I would want to go with the gold. Force myself to do something that I wouldn't normally do because I love doing like, you know, neutrals. It's like a very light silvery looking color. And I'm gonna pop it right on the inner part of the lid. So I'm gonna take this pink right here and I'm gonna pop that into my inner corners. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna take this gray color that I was supposed to take earlier and pop it on the lower lash line just to balance everything out. Ooh, this is a lot darker than what I was expecting. And I'm just gonna connect it to the outer corner. Makeup Forever came out with these right here. I don't know if they're new, but they sent them to me recently and I haven't used them. So they're new to me and I really wanna pop one of these glitters on my eyes so bad. This is the Starlit Diamond Powder from Makeup Forever. There's a few different shades right here. I'm just gonna go through and see which one I want. This is E802. So I'm just gonna take some of that and also put it on. Oh, that's like blue. It matches my hair. It was meant to be. Love these. Now I'm gonna use a new eyeliner that I'm super excited about. I have a black one right here and a brown one. This is from Benefit. It's the roller liner. They're super cute. It goes with their roller lash. I feel like black is really intense. So I'm gonna go with brown, something different. I would normally do black, but we're gonna go with brown and we're gonna wing it out. Okay, I definitely love this color brown. I've never seen a brown that I really liked in a liquid pen. They usually don't show up that well. They're streaky and just weird, but this one shows up so nice and dark, but not in your face and black. So I love this brown, and I think I'm definitely gonna be using this a whole lot more. So there are some new lashes that came out. These are my favorite lashes right now. Baddie B just came out with these lashes, I think at the end of last year. These are these saucy lashes. Ever since I literally got the PR package, I have not stopped wearing them. They are my favorite lash. Baddie B is all about the drama. The lashes are very dramatic. They're not like shy. They're the life of the party. So these are the more natural girl. She is really sweet, but she's also a good time. She likes to have fun. I like that they're spacey, so you can see the eyeshadow work underneath it. So I'm gonna put these on. They're so bomb. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you what they look like. They're so gorgeous. So we're back with the lashes and we really like them. You guys, you can see my eyeshadow. You can see my lashes. The glam is nice. It's not overpowering. I'm in love. You guys need these lashes, trust me. So now we're gonna move into concealer. I cannot wait. Because it performs so well on my eyes, I'm really interested to see how this is gonna look on my under eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna take 30 because we wanna brighten the under eyes up. Taking shade 30, and we're just gonna do this little number right here. I never say that. I don't know why I just said that. Okay, I just remember these are self-setting. This is a self-setting concealer, so I'm a little nervous. I probably have to work a little faster. than what I'm normally used to. So if it's self-setting, I wonder, is this a crazy question right now? I wonder if you have to set with powder. No, right? Because it's self-setting? I don't know. We're about to see. We're about to check it out. This is a nice concealer. Wow. We like her. She can sit at our table. I don't know why I keep calling all the products girls. Like there's some guys too, I'm sure. There's some guys in here. I'm gonna let that sit on my face for a little bit. I'm going to contour. Actually, this is more of a bronzy color, but this is what they sent me, so we're gonna use her, him, whoever. This might be a little crazy. Oh, this is very red. I would not contour with this. Is not a contour color. We're bronzing right now. This concealer sits so nice on the skin, and keep in mind I am a textury girl. Like there's texture on the face, like you can't deny it, and it's looking real good. Like we're looking flawless. I even feel like the pores look even smaller with the concealer. I am so excited that I found these new concealers. We've just been finding so many good concealers. The Fenty ones came out, they were amazing. These are honestly, I'm gonna say it, these are a little bit better than Fenty. These are better than Fenty, and I was obsessed. This is my new concealer, you guys. I'm gonna go back and forth, but this one, whoa, like this opened doors. It made me see things I've never seen before. My skin looks so good in this concealer. I'm impressed. Wow. All right, so basically we're bronze, we are concealed, brightened, we're set in place. So the next new thing we have is this blush from Dior. It's new to me. It was in a PR package sent to me from Dior. So I've been loving blush lately, especially with my wigs. I feel like I gravitate towards blush more so than bronzer. So I'm gonna try this guy out right here. I'm gonna use their new Dior blush brush. It's number 16. I'm gonna take some of this and just sweep it across the cheek. This is number 999. You don't need much of it. It's just a little tiny teensy bit, and bam, you are blushing, glowing. You're ready for flowers in a bouquet. I don't know. So we just got some new lip liners and eye pencils in from Dose of Colors. It's an exciting day, you guys. I love Dose of Colors, and I just think the packaging is so sleek. They're retractable pencils. They have like a little sharpener at the end, and the color right here. I'm not gonna use red. I'm gonna do something more nudie. So I'm gonna take this one right here. It's called Nitty Gritty, and we are going to open this pencil up and apply it to the lip. Wow, that is very soft. Okay, these lip pencils are sturdy but soft. Like my lip pencils would have broken already, especially having it out this wide. I didn't realize it was that much out, and it still did not break, but it gave me a soft feeling, and the color is intense. Natasha Denona also came out with some new liquid lips, so I wanted to try that today. Immediately, I gravitate towards the pinky nude. So this is called Giselle. I think this is Natasha Denona's first liquid lip launch. There's no scent, but there's something there, and it takes me back to like when I was playing with my mom's lipsticks when I was like 5. This is a very thin liquid lip, but the coverage is high impact, and it's just the way it dries, it's not sticky. Like, it's already dry. Wow, you guys, Natasha Denona just is killing the game right now. Okay, I have to try one of the eyeliners out, so I'm gonna go back it up and put on some eyeliner. This is called Splash, it's blue. I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line, just like a little bit halfway. Love that. So there's this new highlight that came out from Essence. It's called Metal Chrome Blush. It says blush, but I really don't know why, because this is a highlight, obviously, right? This is a highlight. The name is My Name is Gold Rosé Gold. That's a very long name. But yeah, we're gonna try on this right here. Essence is one of my favorites, like affordable brands. Oh, that's nice. It's like a soft little kick of highlight. This is a very soft highlight, but I don't mind it. I think this is like an everyday kind of highlight. It's not intense, it's nice. It's not gonna be like blinding anybody, but it's a cute little glow. I like that. Essence also came out with this Glow to Go illuminating setting spray. This scares me a little bit just because I feel like it's gonna shoot out and mess up my makeup. So I'm just gonna do it. Oh, it's a mist. Okay, Essence. Okay, I felt the shoot of the spray. So I think this is splotching all over my face. I don't think that it made it look better. I probably would use this on my body more so than my face. It says it's supposed to like blur your skin and all that. I don't think it did that. This is probably the only thing I would have not used today. Everything else was great. Like, I really enjoyed every product that I used today. The liquid lip and the concealer have to be my two top favorite things from this whole video. I mean, they're life-changing and I see myself using them more than one time. So yeah, I really like how this came out and I hope you guys like it too. This is the final look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope you were embracing the cotton candy that we have going on in this screen right now. I'm going to leave you guys with a little note from me to you to keep with you the rest of the day. That is, don't be afraid. Do, say, or create. Even if it's the craziest, you think everybody's gonna think it's dumb, just throw it out there and see what happens. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video, and until the next one, bye dollies.